Expanding elasticity of welding skills Africa. Feel heat rising. Metal hums softly. Then an arc ignites. Brightest sunrise over Africa's industrial future. The TWF Continental Welding Competition 2026 invites every African nation into a vivid arena where skill meets purpose. Hosted in Maputo, this continental gathering celebrates welding not merely as a trade, rather as a powerful engine for growth, innovation, and cross-border collaboration. Competitors aged 16 to 35 step forward from TVET institutions, polytechnics, and industry training programs, ready to test precision across core disciplines. Shielded metal arc weld reflects mastery. Participation removes barriers. Entry costs nothing. Accommodation comes fully covered. Delegates from all 54 African countries gain access to shared knowledge, cutting-edge techniques, and a network shaping tomorrow's manufacturing landscape. Young welders under 20 shine in their own category, while top performers earn prestigious continental recognition. Welding skills, categories shielded metal arc. Welding, 111/SMAW. Gas, metal arc welding, 135/GMAW. Gas, tungsten inert gas welding, GTAW. Finished product welding, 111/SMAW/135G. MAW/136 FCAW. Participants representing TVET institutions, private training establishments, polytechnic/monotechnic companies with training departments. Entry requirement, age range is 16 to 35 years. Application into the competition is free. Application is open participants from the 54 countries in Africa. Participants must be a representative of any of training body or training association or educational institution. Training institutes, association or companies with training facilities are free to present participants in all the categories. Students welders below 20 years of age will be categorized as young welders. Every competitor is a winner, but the first, second, and third place welders in each are entitled to the winner package. This competition builds more than champions. It forges unity, transfers critical skills, and strengthens Africa's industrial backbone through real experience. Bring your brightest talent, represent your nation, shape Africa's future through fire and steel. Register now and let your country's sparks ignite continental transformation. https://twf assembly 2026.org/CWC-2026-registration/